So about a month ago, I wrote to Secretlab and said, please, for the love of God, send me that Batman chair. For all that is holy, I need it in my life. And they looked at my subscriber count and went, ooh, no, we're out of stock of that one. So I ended up with the Omega chair instead. And I can't knock that at all because it's glorious. It is the most comfortable and most beautiful chair I had ever seen, except for the Batman chair. So I bitched and whined throughout the whole video about the fact they didn't send me the Batman chair.
I've got the mask, Secretlab. She should have just sent me the fucking Anyway.
And Secretlab wrote to me and said, would you by any chance like the Batman chair? And I went, yes I would. And they went, tough, you can't have it. Not unless you get 200 likes on the pinned comment of your previous video. And I thought, that's never gonna happen. 445 likes. 445! I can't thank you enough, and I know I say all the time can't thank you enough, but that's because my life is preposterous. I am so grateful, and I am lost for words that people would take the time out of their day to do that for me, so gratitude all over the place. I am so grateful, because I've got my flipping Batman chair! Go watch this video here if you want a breakdown of everything that these chairs do, but in short, you're just never going to fart again. This is because they look and feel so glorious that you're not going to want to embarrass the chair. Secretlab this time around have sent me the Titan, which is the bigger version of the two chairs. It's for people with bigger butts. And they said, Paul, we'd like you to do a comparison. And I said, Secretlab, I have a tiny butt. This isn't going to work. I've got it anyway, and I've sat in it, and guess what? It's more comfortable than the Omega. It doesn't matter that I have a tiny butt, seemingly, more space is just better. It is longer in the leg, which might bug some people. Me personally, I sit cross-legged and all sorts of stuff on my chair, so it doesn't make a great deal of difference to me. But oddly enough, my much heftier best friend came and sat in both chairs and said he preferred the Omega, so it seems there is no rhyme, no reason to this. There is no science. So the key differences between these two chairs is that the Omega comes with a lumbar cushion and the Titan does not. The Titan instead comes with a little winder which pushes out a lumbar from the chair. What I've found is I actually prefer to have both the winder pushed out and have the lumbar cushion from my Omega placed there as well because they are just desperately comfortable. If you are able to afford to buy both the Titan and a lumbar cushion, I would do that. You can buy them separately. The other differences are the length for your leg and the width for your butt. I have a small butt, so it doesn't really matter to me. I have exceptionally short legs. I'm like a tiny little midget person, but I fit just fine in this chair. I don't find it uncomfortable, but it might explain why I prefer to have the lumbar all the way out and have a lumbar cushion, so it's worth bearing that in mind. I don't think there are any other real differences. The whole 4D armrest thing is still there. The moving back of the chair is still there. The key difference is, oh yes, it's Batman. All that's left to say is thank you so much. I don't know how to express my gratitude. And I hate saying express my gratitude because expressing is what you do to nipples, and that's not where my gratitude is coming out from. It kind of is. That is kind of where my gratitude is coming from. I feel it leaking from everywhere. That's gross. If I could give all 445 people a hug, I swear to God, you would all not want it because that would be strange. But I would give it you anyway because I am that thankful for this chair. It is absolutely gorgeous and it looks amazing in this room. It completes it. This is a Batman-ified room. Batman is everywhere, and now he's in my chair, and I am so grateful. That's it. If you can afford one of these chairs, get one. If you can't afford one of these chairs, save up for one. But only if you spend all day in a chair. I wouldn't want to be trying to push these things on people who don't need them. If you don't spend a lot of time in a chair, this is a lot of money to spend. If you do spend a lot of time in a chair, it is totally worth it. That is it. Ultimate comfort, ultimate beauty. Get one of these chairs. This video has been all nipples and farts. They're not normally all nipples and farts, they are usually smart home tech type videos. If you like technology, hit that subscribe button. It would be a big favour to me. You could ding that bell and you will always get notified when I upload a video. They're usually on Saturdays. This is a one-off Wednesday video. I do these sometimes too. You can give this video a thumbs up and that will do me a huge favour because it tells YouTube's algorithms that was good video. More people should see good video. Come and be one of these amazing people if you can on Patreon. These are my patrons from Patreon. If you don't want to give me regular money and just want to buy me a one-off beer, you can do that at PayPal. And either way, I will love you forever. I am genuinely very grateful to anybody who supports me. That's it. I shall see you in these social medias, which you almost didn't mention. Go and sign up to those, and I will make you laugh on a regular basis, I promise. That's it. I shall see you next time. Bye-bye. Super laid back mode, where you can lie down if you've had darn it! If not more comfortable than the Omega, even for people with tiny little bottoms like mine. I'm not going to say bottoms, it sounds weird. I genuinely mean it. I think I did this. It's fine, I did it. It's done. It's done, Paul. Next.